Snappy the penguin gets to go back to his natural environment.
Now she's looking. Check it out. Look.
Over 1 million pigeons are recorded being released in Portugal.
Já aconteceu, eu uma do engenheiro. Nossa senhora! Com quaralho, tontas. Com quaralho. As minhas galegas devem andar ali para trás.
A young boy in Yemen rescues a fox from a 15-meter well.
صغار الثعلب. صغار الثعلب.
This is Camoon at the release site where we're setting him free. They're taking his chains off now.
Yeah.
He seems pretty happy about it. Free elephant! Off you go!
A bear cub is released into the wild to rejoin its family. A lynx is released into Michigan's Upper Peninsula. A family of monkeys are happy to be going back home.
So now, it's shaped like.
After several months of intensive care and rehabilitation, June the turtle is released into the ocean. A lady frees a stray pit bull from uncomfortable chains around its neck in Puerto Rico. A pair of foxes have recovered after several weeks in care and are released back into the forest. A tigress in India is recorded being released back to the wild after recovering from some injuries.
Let's get it off. Come on, up. There we go. That wasn't so bad, was it?
A baby penguin sees the ocean for the first time. A bald eagle is released back into the wild after undergoing 1 year of rehabilitation. A 3-year-old bear is released back into the wild in Montana, United States. A man buys over 100 birds at Jakarta Animal Market, only to then set them free.
Yeah, now we have 4 females and 5 males.
Okay.
And the leading role is Gusha.
Gusha?
Actually, the main role take part by the Madhuraja.
Oh, very nice. Can you feel their excitement, interaction anymore? You think they'll do good?
That's our objectives and our target.
A hedgehog is freed from ticks after luckily being discovered by a kind stranger. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.